Opacity is a great feature in Buncee creation that allows you to customize any item that you add to the creation canvas, whether that's a drawing, text, or animations, or web images. You are able to control how transparent or how opaque any object is. To do this, select an object, and on the creation canvas, click on Opacity. You'll be given the ability to click a button and slide it all the way to the left to make it more transparent, or keep it to the right to make it more opaque. This is great for activities where you really like to add some nuance to your Buncee scene, whether you're creating a scene from a novel and you'd like to choose maybe something slightly scary for a scary story or an Edgar Allan Poe story, or if you're doing something in STEM and you'd like to depict what happens when a comet comes around every 75 years and swings around the sun, and you want to show how transparent the comet's tail is. There are many ways to use opacity in any of your projects, and we'd love to see them. Remember to share with us and check out all of our other great videos to learn about all of the features in Buncee creation.